Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing the signatures so they won't shift. Use binder clips and a flat surface. Once aligned, measure and mark 3 holes evenly along the spine with a ruler. Punch through with an awl or 1/16 punch to create clean pilot holes. Thread a strong, waxed thread to about 3 times the book height and tie a small knot at the end to anchor. This gives consistent tension and ensures your first stitch sets a stable foundation for the rest. Now you sew using a kettle or pamphlet stitch to bind the signatures together. Begin by inserting the needle through the center hole from the outside to the inside so the knot sits flush. Once done, loop the thread around the spine and pass to the next hole, moving outwards. Make sure to pull each pass snug, tight enough to close gaps, but not so tight that pages pucker. Continue through each hole in sequence, keeping stitches straight and consistent to distribute stress evenly along the spine. To finish, bring the thread back to the center hole and tie a secure knot inside. Bury the knot beneath the final stitch so it won't catch. Once tied, trim excess thread and press the spine flat. If you used glue, allow it to cure fully. If you notice shifting or loosened stitches, add 1 reinforcing pass or glue a thin strip of mull along the spine to stabilize. If stitches pull out, inspect hole size, make holes slightly smaller or use a thicker thread to improve grip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.